Hi everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to automate working with Google Gemini API. Let's start by executing a package, then I will go through it step by step and explain what each part is doing. So here's our question. Just click OK. I take a while to execute because it is a complex question. And here's the answer. Let's ask another one. To be it is very tolerant to spelling mistakes. Let's click OK, see what it will say. It's very interesting. And let's ask another question. Yes. We can enter anything we want, and including n of line characters. But when I submit it to Google Gemini API, this string must be properly escaped. So why we have this string to JSON function. Let's click OK. See what happens. Okay, UK capital. Interesting. No more questions. So the first step we use it's called user input. We just use it to ask the user question. So we have prompt, and we have default, and the answer is saved into this variable. And then we we use this variable as a value, and we converted it to proper formatted string, and we can see it in the log, for example. Just click on the log. See, this is a proper formatted string. That's what we do. We submit it to Google using a HTTP action. Let's see what it does. So it has this URL as a request. It is using API key, and we use post method. We can also use get, put, etc. delete methods, but in this case we use post, and we also submit data in JSON format. Here's the body. See, this is our variable again. And if we click on execution log tab, here's the answer we get. As you can see, it is in quite complex format, so we need to extract candidates first. Then it has an array, so we need to get the first value from this array, where finish reason is stop. Then we need to get parts. Then we need to get text, and then we need to reformat this string so we can show it to the user. Actually this string is fine. It has this n of line character, but in this case it doesn't matter. So click cancel. Again, the result of the execution is saved into this variable. See, it's selected true, response data. Then we have number of actions. So get candidates. Again, we get respond data, and we use property called candidates, and we save it into variable called candidates. Then we use get JSON array value, and we get array value where finish reason equals to stop. Then we get content, get parts, we get single part from it, then we get text from it. Here's the text, and here's the answer, and then we unescaped content by removing special characters, and we show the answer to the user, again using variable. So we show value of this variable to the user, and then we ask the user if the user wants to ask more questions, or if yes, we continue. If no, we just end the execution. As you can see, it's not very that complicated. You just have to follow the steps. If you have any more questions, you can always ask them on our support forum. I hope you find this tutorial very useful, and you can use it for your own tasks. For example, you can restructure it and use it for automated email processing, automated support responses, etc. As usual, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye!